Evening, everybody. Akhona is the name from Ibatha Investment Holdings and Slick South Music. Today it's a bit of a personal issue that I'm actually going to talk about. It's split in 4 categories. It is the problem, the solution, why you should be involved, and the what if. So, problem being, have you ever gone out at night with a friend of yours and then you have a ball party like rock stars, you balling like you LeBron James and then being caught. Then only to call your boy in the morning and find a stranger picking up his phone. Stranger tells you that, look dude, your boy passed out at the club last night. And you're like, what? Okay, since you're with him, you end up finding out what happened. And that's what I did, actually. This is a true story. It happened in May, 2 days before my birthday. Only to find out that my boy passed away that evening. I had to tell his family, which was the hardest thing I ever had to do. And they then said, okay, maybe you were part of it. Went through, investigated everything, went with them to Helen Joseph Hospital, saw his body, and it was sad. Only to later find out that it was drug related. So my business does consulting via Ibatha Investment Holdings. We help entrepreneurs get their brand out there. We do branding solutions. Through Slick South Music, we do music. So I then decided to change or add an element towards the business model, which was, how do I then attack people who suffer from substance abuse? Then I came back and I was like, okay, right, since music liberated this country or played a part in the liberation of this country, I will then attack substance abuse through music, because drugs are found in clubs, drugs are found where we're having fun, which increases what? HIV and all other risks that you look at. So then we went back, we're like, okay, let's go to the drawing board. What are we gonna do? A song called Nyawope. We all know about Nyawope, right? Yeah. Can I get an amen? Amen. Thank you. So the track basically talks about drug and substance abuse. But then we went back and we decided to design a package which we're going to sell to government to distribute to 500,000 kids among schools in Johannesburg first. The EP celebrates what? Talking about Nyawope as a problem, celebrates South Africa, whereby we've created a video right now called Maka Plan. It's a song that says you can make a plan, you can change your life, you can become better.